The mobile integrated radio and internet communication system has been activated in 3 flood-hit states to ensure communication services remain functional in areas with disrupted internet and telephone networks, aiding the coordination of relief efforts. Deputy Communications Minister Teo Ni Cheng said the 3 states are Kelantan, Sabah and Sarawak.
According to a report by the Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Commission, 15 communication infrastructure sites were affected by the floods, with 6 already restored and back in operation.
Ada 5 lokasi akanlah pulih dan juga kembali beroperasi pada hari ini. Untuklah yang lain, oleh sebab sekarang memang tak boleh akses kepada lokasi itu kerana atas faktor keselamatan, jadi mungkin akan makan masa yang lebih panjang sikit.
Teo said Prime, a strategic initiative by MCMC, was developed to strengthen the country's communication readiness during disasters and emergencies, particularly in areas cut off from conventional networks. She explained that the system is designed as a mobile communication network combining satellite, cellular, two-way radio, Wi-Fi and drone technology to ensure communications remain functional in critical situations.